Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the language on your device is essential for users who speak multiple languages or need to use their device in a language different from the default. And also, changing the language allows you to navigate through the device interface, menus, and settings in a language you are comfortable with, making it easier to understand and use your device effectively. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Well, so in this page, you have to scroll down till you find General Management. And tap on it. Okay, next you can select language option. After that, click add language here. And then select the preferred language you want to apply to your device. And then click set as default option. Okay, so now the language is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.